So it happened that I stripped this nut off, and what we're gonna do today is we're gonna get this out using a extractor. So first thing first, what we're gonna do, we're gonna drill in a hole about quarter inch of deep, so our extractor has something to bite on. Okay, now we're gonna use our extractor. So you're gonna find the right size that goes through the hole, that deep enough, so when you turn this, it'll bite. Okay. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our hammer. We're gonna hammer this out. You're gonna tap, tap, tap around it. Make sure it's straight up, not leaning. Because if it is leaning, so there are chances that it won't bite. So it's not gonna bite it 100%. Okay, you tap it straight up, evenly. Alright, that looks good. So after that, we're gonna get our ratchet. We're gonna attach our ratchet at the end, and we're gonna put a lot of pressure. Okay, so you're gonna turn it counterclockwise slowly. Put a lot of pressure in it. As you can see, it turned. So we got it out. You're just gonna unscrew it using your hand or finger. Super easy. So this is a tranny drain plug. I strip it off because it has been there for so long. I put a lot of pressure on it. As you can see, it started, I started to drain it out. So I'm gonna show you the nut that I strip off. Yeah, it's been there since dinosaurs age. So I'm gonna put the link on the description down below where you can get the extractor at. It's really, a must-have tool. They're really helpful.